This is Mrs. Rip, and today we're going to go over how to submit an assignment that you might have and mark it up in Notability and then turn it back in. So here we go. First thing I want to do once I'm in the Canvas app is find my class. There it is. I'm going to come over here, find the module that I need, tap on my assignment. I'm going to read the directions. It says, please complete the following tasks. Tap and download this paper. So there's my fall tree paper. And then I'll notice that there are some directions here. These are the directions for how I will submit my paper. So it says that once I'm done, it says tap the share arrow and select copy to Notability. And then I'm going to complete and color in Notability. I can do that. But then when I'm in Notability, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to send a copy to Canvas. How do I do that? We're going to tap the share arrow button, and then we're going to select and send to other apps. And then we're going to share that note, and then tap and submit the assignment button with the Canvas icon. And then we're going to select turn in the assignment, and then add any of our needed comments if I need to tell my teacher anything about the assignment. And then I'm going to make sure that it's in the correct course and assignment, and then I'm going to tap submit. So let's watch how we do it. Here we go. I'm going to tap the PDF that my teacher wants me to mark up and do. Here it is. I'm going to come up here now up to the share arrow up at the top. I'm going to tap to share. And what I want to do is I want to open this in. I want to send a copy over to my Notability. So I'm going to tap Notability. And it says that it's been sent over to my Notability. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Notability app. Once I'm there, it says, hey, I see a new import. That's great. I do want to create this as a new note. And now I get a few options. Right now, it's going to send it over here to my science folder. If that's not the right place, then I'm going to come up here and tap where I see that little arrow. And then I can put it where I need to put that document. So for my filing sake, if this was really something for writing, then I'm going to tap and put it in my writing folder. All right, now that it's there, I'm going to tap done. And if I go look over here in my writing folder, there it is. So let's go ahead and I'm going to pretend that I did everything that my teachers asked of me. Okay. And let's pretend that I did all the assignment, I've colored it, I've done everything, and now I'm ready to turn it in. So here we go. Next up, I'm going to tap the share arrow again up here at the top. When I do, then I'm going to come down here where it says Other Apps. And then I'm going to select Share the Note. And now I'm going to select Student. That's the Canvas Student app. Once I do, I get a little preview. And it says, which course do you want to submit it to? Well, this is my e-learning course, but this is the most important part. So if this is the part where you have to make sure you slow down, are you turning it into the right assignment? If not, you can tap and you can cycle through and see all of the assignments. And I will tell you that if you have a long list of assignments, you might have to scroll or pull down and let it refresh and find the assignment that you need. Tap it and it will select for you. Once you realize that it is in the correct course and it's in the correct assignment, then you're going to tap submit. Now I'm going to go back over to my Canvas app and I'm going to go ahead and tap this little back button. So I'm going to tap done there in the middle of my screen. I'm going to tap the little back arrow right here. And if I pull down, so I'm going to grab the middle of the page and pull down. So grab and pull, it refreshes my screen, and now it says that I have successfully submitted. If I want to make sure that it's the right thing, I'm going to tap Submission and Rubric, because now I can see what item did I really submit to my teacher. It will load right here for me. If I submitted multiple items, I can grab the little handlebar right here above the word files and I can pull it up and I can see the name of the item right here as well. And remember, this is where I can view comments from my teacher as well. So if I tap files, I can see the list of all the files I submitted, and if my teacher had a rubric, I can view the rubric there as well. Right now, my internet's a little slow, so it's a little slow to load right now, but it is there. And I know it was successful because of it says check, it was submitted, and when I tap here on submissions and rubric and I pull up, I can see the file name. That is the file name that I submitted. Thanks so much for listening. Have a great day.